Lucas with Veloci Performance, super excited today. I'm gonna be talking to you about what is an M22 fitting, where do you find them, why do we use them, and how can you use them. M22 fittings, super common in the industry. You're gonna find them on hoses, you're gonna find them on guns occasionally, pumps, and outlets like the one we have here. So they're either gonna be 14 or 15 millimeters for the inside diameter, which is gonna be this piece here, and then 22 for the outside. So the difference between the two is it's going to depend entirely on what unit you have and where you're using the M22 fitting. If you don't have the owner's manual and it doesn't state in there, nice way to know, if you do have access to a caliper, maybe a tape measure, you can just measure. It'll either give you a reading of close to 14 or close to 15. Sometimes they're a little off, but whichever one is closest to you, go with that. It's super common, super useful. It's kind of the industry standard. It's gonna be more of a universal style fitting, and really what you're gonna run into is it's gonna be on pump outlets in this case. So why do we wanna know? Why is it important to know? So this unit here came with its own hose, and as you can see, its own hose, its own gun. We don't want that. We wanna use one of ours. So you're gonna take one of our fittings, and we measured this beforehand. So this piece on the inside is 15 millimeters, and then we measured the inside here, and that's 15 millimeters. So you're gonna take this, it's gonna screw in nice and easily here. And another side note on this is one of the few applications where you're not gonna put Teflon tape or thread lock, anything like that. You're not gonna put that on this because the O-ring inside is gonna get pressurized. It's gonna squeeze as you push it down. It's gonna cause a nice tight seal without having to wrap it or put thread lock on it. So now we have that installed, and this is gonna be a 3/8 plug. Well, where else do you find a 3/8 plug or a 3/8 measurement? You're gonna find it in our hose. We have a 3/8 coupler right here, connected up to the unit, ready to go with that. We have our gun, connect to the hose on the other side, and now you have fully upgraded unit, and it all started at that M22 fitting.